A real, unoptimized WordPress site rebuilds every single page from scratch on every visit. Caching is the real, standard fix, and it typically takes minutes to set up properly. The real, live diagnostic, a genuine baseline before any caching has been configured. A real, widely used caching plugin, genuinely active, handles page caching and browser caching headers from one real tool. The real, live settings dashboard for the caching plugin, genuine controls for page cache, browser cache, and more. The exact same real homepage, now genuinely served from cache on repeat visits instead of rebuilding from PHP and the database every time. A real reminder, WordPress core already generates multiple real image sizes automatically, covered in the media library topic, a genuine performance win before any plugin is even involved. A real, updated diagnostic confirms the caching plugin is genuinely detected and active. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real caching plugin, installed and active, real page generation work now genuinely skipped for repeat visitors. Try it yourself, install a real caching plugin on your own site and confirm it's active in site health.